Hello! Hello! Another day, another haul. Marami na namang pinagbibili ang girl. So let's start with my Mitsukoshi Beauty Haul. This is what I purchased in Mitsukoshi. Isa lang ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nandun. Sunscreen. Sobrang galing niya mag-promote. Hands down talaga kung paano niya i-promote. Luxel sunscreen. Here's what I bought from Mitsukoshi. Ito siya. This is the Luxel Centella Sun Serum. Pinuntahan ko to para lang talagang makabili ng isa at masubukan namin siya agad. I bought the Gold Elixir Serum, anti-aging. Releases gold microcirculation energy which fights first sign of aging. Basta ganun. For aging ito. And then next is the set. I bought this for $999. The Radiance Beauty Serum and the Vitamin C Detoxifying Face Wash. This one, cleanser. Wow, ang ganda. Oh. If you want whitening sa skin mo, i-correct yung mga hyperpigmentation mo, ganyan. And then this serum naman is for anti-aging talaga. So bought Biore UV Aqua Rich sa buy one take one for $730. And I bought Roto for the eyes, Tired Eye Relief. Dahil minsan talaga pagod yung mata ko. I also bought from Canmake a quick lash curler remover. So for the lashes. So is the Canmake Japanese brand siya. Pantanggal ng mga mascara na waterproof. So that's it for my Mitsukoshi haul. Bye!